guys, welcome to my channel. This is my new, I made my first video ever in YouTube. So, wait a minute, my hair looks like this. Okay, there. So don't mind this part right here. So, now we're gonna try some of my fidgets. Oh, in this basket. By the way, that's all of my fidgets. So let's get started. So first, we're gonna pop all of my puppets. I have 5 puppets. I mean 4 because this 2 one got doubled. So yeah. So first up, we're gonna pop is the bear one, just you guys saw. Okay, let's go. There, I'm gonna move it backwards. Okay, let's get started. So yeah, turn on your volumes on. This is it. The next one is, wait a minute, it's so hard to pull. Yeah, okay there. My rainbow circular puppet. Let's pop it. Oh, don't mind the fan. That is the quiet side, this is the loud side. So yeah, that's it. The next one is, yeah, this one. I don't know what this is called. Comment down below. So yeah, this is it. And for the last one, here's my yellow mama's puppet. Right away, we're gonna start off with the loud ones to the quiet ones. So let's go. This is the loud side. Okay. So yeah, that is it. That's the loud. It's the quiet side. So yeah, for the next one, here is my. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the cam up. Right. So for the next one, I have here is my wacky track, or what do you call this? Snap and click. Don't at me, but I hear them calling both. So yeah, I put my 2 wacky tracks together to make this big one. So yeah. For the next one, we also have or be stressful. And yeah, by the way guys, this is actually sticking in the roof. But I cannot show you because I'm plugging my laptop. So yeah. Comment down below if this is actually loud. Next is these infinity cube. It's not as loud that it is, but for me it's actually loud. Okay, and yeah, that's all for the loud one. And now we're gonna go for the quiet one. Wait a minute, I can put that back. There we go. Okay, for the quiet ones, we have here a tingle. But yeah, we have this tingle. Ouch. We have this tingle. Oh, sorry. So yeah, we have that. We also have 5 globals. Wait, I'm just gonna get those. This one has a hole. Like, look. But it's kind of like a dope. But yeah, we have these. It's quiet. And my 2 simple dimples that are DIY cannot get the small one. I cannot get the small one, but it's okay. We also have this DIY simple dimple. We also have these foam stress balls. We also have these pea poppers. Actually, 2. Here is the one. This is the not smudgy faced. And this is the smudgy faced. Like there. So yeah, we also have that. And we also have this 2 marble and mesh. Also have these 2 monkey stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay, there. And we also have, oh yeah, one of the magnets. This magnets. And my chain that is colored green. And emoji. I actually have one, but I can't reach them. So yeah, here it is. It's super stretchy. They're really cute. And a teeny stress ball. It has hair. It has hair to them. Don't mind that. Don't mind that, please. Okay. So yeah. ASMR on this. Do marble and mash. These just fall with clavos. Oh jeez. Pea poppers. And last but not the least, this thing. So yeah, hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm new in YouTube. So I don't have an intro for now, but I'm gonna try to learn some. But if I can't do it, then my videos doesn't have an intro or an outro. But that's why I said that. I am this for speaking. Okay, but please subscribe to my channel and like this video because I'm gonna post latest new videos, like video, gonna video the games and stuff. And yeah, before March 11 or March 11, my magnetic beads is gonna arrive from Lazada. So I don't live in America and stuff like that. I am from the Philippines. I'm just speaking in English, so Tagalog and Filipinos Tagalog and English can understand what I'm saying. So yeah. And by the way, we're gonna do ASMR stuff like that, and some video games. Gonna video the games. So yeah, bye. Don't mind that motorcycle. So bye. Sorry. Oh yeah, don't mind my face. That's all for that. So yeah.